Well, welcome to this week's episode of Selling Life and Annuities. My name is Jim Purse, Final Expense Manager, Recorder Marketing. I'm here with Troy Culver, our National Life Insurance Marketer as well, and we are going to be discussing juvenile IUL policies, what I like to call the foot in the door policy. So Troy, why would somebody want to sell a juvenile IUL policy?
Well, I think the question is why not? I think that this particular season coming into the holidays is a perfect time for an agent to give the best gift they can give to one of their grandchildren. We did that last week, Jim. As a matter of fact, we issued a juvenile policy to a one-year-old and issued it $150 a month was the premium. So by the time they turned 65, they were getting paid out $143,800 for life. So that's a pretty good gift to give to a juvenile, and it's $150 a month, that policy was.
Wow, that is definitely a Christmas gift that will last a lifetime, right?
Absolutely.
That is excellent. So what kind of client would be interested in this type of policy?
I think as people are out, it's AEP right now, as they're out talking to their clients and anyone who has grandchildren. That's the best gift that you can give is an insurance policy that's going to build them wealth. It's going to build them cash value. It's going to take care of them, provide a death benefit. And it'll also make their kids or that grandchild's parent a very happy parent as well.
Sound points. So what were the advantages of starting a policy for a juvenile as opposed to somebody, early adult, middle-aged person? Why would that be effective?
Well, with anything, the sooner you get started, the faster your cash grows. And, they always have this saying in life insurance, there's no better time than today to get life insurance because you're not getting younger, you're always getting older. So starting with a juvenile, the example that I gave a little while ago, that total investment was $115,000. But by the time they paid out, it was over $5.1 million. So the return on the money is significantly, exponentially increase of what they're putting into it. So the earlier you start with someone, the better, and it's just the best way to go.
Yeah, right. So your total premiums paid into the policy are recovered the first year after that policy owner starts taking distributions.
Mm-hmm.
That is a pretty solid story. So Troy, what are one of the requirements that are on these juvenile policies? Any middle-aged person would find, a young family member and say, hey, I know the cost of insurance is going to be a lot less for Johnny over here than for 50-something-year-old Jimmy.
Sure.
Is there a way around that? How do they...
No, there has to be insurable interest, and the parent always has to have at least the same amount of coverage as they're going to have on the child.
Outstanding. Well, we've gone over some nice little details here of working with juveniles. I think it's an extremely important demographic that often gets overlooked in our industry. And as I said earlier, for agents out there, it's an excellent opportunity just to crack the door open and get a whole referral network going with friends and the whole family of that juvenile. So if anybody wants more information on this, Troy, how would they be able to reach you?
Contact me at Gordon Marketing, extension 19000, or you can reach me at tculver@gordonmarketing.com.
Outstanding. So Troy, that's gonna bring us to a close of this episode. Thanks for joining us here today.
Absolutely.
Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like, comment, and share. And we'll see you the next time, Selling Life and Annuities.